Greetings to one and all. We, the students of Computer Science Department of Ramnaran Roya Autonomous College, have created a web-based application named Solar Metering. The collaborators include Shivam Gupta, Varad Mulgun, Janvi Parab, Yuvraj Zala, and Aniket Gami. With the ever-increasing energy demands of the society and the aim to reduce pollution, solar electricity is in high demand. Having solar panels installed in one's home, one doesn't have to worry about paying bills to the grid electricity providers. The use of solar electricity is easy and good, but when surplus electricity is produced, the problem of storing it arises. Since the storage of solar electricity is expensive, the grid electricity providers have started purchasing the surplus electricity produced by the users. But because of the large number of restrictions and non-ease of rule understanding, a very small number of people are actually signing up for solar electricity. Because of the aforementioned reasons and a spark of curiosity ignited by the introduction to the concept of blockchain, we have created a web-based application that will help in simplifying the process of buying and selling of electricity. Before we start, let's first take a look at the disadvantages of the current system. The main flaw of the current system is the security of customers' data. As data is stored on a centralized system, there lies a potential threat of unauthorized access. Online payment has its own security issues. As companies have full access to the user data, they can easily manipulate meter readings and pricing for their profits, making it unreliable. This application uses Ethereum blockchain, and thus the only pre-requirement is having an Ethereum account. You might be wondering, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized data storage system where every transaction is stored in blocks and every block is linked to the previous block. Ethereum is one of the cryptocurrency companies. In our project, the front end is made using React.js and the back end is handled by smart contracts combined with Node.js. A smart contract is an application that is deployed on a blockchain network and is written in Solidity, a programming language made by Ethereum. For the demonstration purpose, we will be using Ganache. Ganache is an application that will run a local blockchain development server on which a smart contract will be deployed. When we open our web application, the first page that we encounter is the login page, which includes the input fields for user ID and password and an option to select the login type. If you don't have an account, you can register by clicking on the sign up button on top right corner, which redirects us to the user sign up page. You can also access the grid company sign up page by switching tabs. After filling the details, clicking on the sign up button will store the data on smart contracts and you are redirected to the login page. Now you can enter your credentials and click on login, which will authenticate the entered credentials from the stored data on smart contract and give us access to the user page. Although after registration, unless your account is verified by the selected grid company, you can only access a limited number of pages that are the homepage and the profile page. After verification, the user access now includes update reading page and pay bill page. The homepage shows the current amount that is to be paid and also the amount that is to be received. The update reading page shows the current reading for both the meters along with an input for the new readings. Clicking on the update reading button will verify if the input is valid and then update the readings on the smart contract. Every time the user changes the reading, the number of units consumed is updated and thus the payment amount is calculated. The calculated payment amount is shown on the user as well as the company end. The pay bill page shows us the net units consumed, the corresponding amount in rupees and in ethers. Clicking on pay button will pay the grid companies in ethers. The payment being done in ethers is totally secure and safe. In profile page, you can view your current details that are provided at the time of registration along with options like change password and update profile. Now moving on to the grid company end, the login follows the same procedure as that of users. The company end consists of verify customer page, check payment page and make payment page. The verify customers page shows the list of newly registered customers under the respective grid company with a verify and a reject button. The company can click verify if the user is a real life customer of the company or reject otherwise. Make payment page allows the company to pay for the electricity bought from the users. Check payment page allows the company to keep track of the users whose bill payments are to be received. Now we have seen what a verified customers page look like. Now let's see what happens if the grid company rejects the customer. As you can see, the only option that we have is to delete the account. The main advantage provided by this project is security. The storage of data on decentralized database gives a strong foundation of data security. Every change that is made is tracked and stored as blocks which are immutable, thus giving a detailed timeline of activities. The application provides a medium to easily buy and sell electricity. In future updates of this application, we will try to automate the process of updating meter reading using IoT, modify the user interface, and also allow access for other cryptocurrencies. The initial spark of the project was given by a workshop on blockchain held by the Department of CS and IT of Ramnaran Raya Autonomous College under the DBT Star College scheme. I would like to thank our teacher, Mrs. Rasika Munde, for guiding us throughout the project and helping us wherever needed. I would also like to congratulate my teammates for the success of the project and thank them for their hard work in this project and curiosity in the concepts. Thank you.